Stephen Hawking being on Epstein's list disproves his argument that time travel doesn't exist. Okay, now hear me out. Ages ago, Stephen Hawking decided to try and prove whether or not time travel exists. He did this by organizing a party for time travelers, but only sent out the invitations after the day of the party. The idea was, if people showed up to the party, then that would prove time travel exists. Unsurprisingly, nobody showed up, which led him and us to the conclusion that time travel isn't real. However, now we know that Hawking is on Epstein's list, and we have a valid explanation for why nobody showed up to his party. This very fact reopens the idea that time travel could be possible.